About the word typewriter. The word typewriter was first coined in 1868 by American inventor Christopher Latham Sholes, who is credited with inventing the first practical typewriter. While it is commonly believed that the word typewriter is the longest word that can be typed using only one row of keys on a keyboard, this is actually not entirely accurate. In fact, there are several longer words that can be typed using only one row, such as perpetuity, proprietor, and repertoire. However, it is true that typewriter is the longest common English word that can be typed using standard QWERTY keyboard.